Are you looking for a healthy salad recipe for this summer? This cucumber, tomatoes, onions salad and with the best salad dressing is perfect for you. Why don't you watch this recipe to the end? Let me show you how I make this salad. So I'll be using cucumber. This cucumber is actually perfect for this salad because the skin is very soft and it's easy to make your salad. This is a perfect summer salad recipe that you can enjoy, and you can store this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or even days, and you're going to get that same unique taste of that summer salad that you're trying to add to your summer recipe. Please do not forget to watch this video to the end. I'll also be showing you how to make your homemade salad dressing for this perfect summer salad recipe, and you're going to enjoy the taste of it. So I'm going to put it in a bowl, then we'll go ahead and cut our tomatoes. I'm using a cherry tomatoes. It is sweet for salad. It's a salad tomatoes. You can get it in your where you get your grocery. I'm going to dice it to my desired shape. It does not have to be too small. Then I'm going to go ahead and add it into my cucumber. You also be needing a onion for this recipe. I'm just using about 2-3 slices of onion. Then I'm just going to dice this freely. You can decide to chop your onion smaller, but it doesn't really matter. It all depends on how you desire your salad to look like. So I like mine this way. So I'm going to add it into a bowl. So I'll also be using parsley for this. You can use any herbs of your choice. This makes it more delicious and this makes it more unique, so you can use any herbs of your choice. So after dicing I'm going to go ahead and add my parsley into my other vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and step this aside. Then I'm going to show you how to make your salad cream, which is your salad dressing. So this makes it more delicious and more healthy to prepare, and is a very perfect summer salad that you're going to enjoy. I'll be using vegetable oils. Please do not forget to give this video a like, and please share this recipe. Let me know what you think about this salad after you try it in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and add some salt, some dry thyme leaves, then some honey, just to give it a extra taste, like extra sweetener. If you want extra sweetener, please combine all your ingredients to get that perfect salad dressing. Make sure you combine all your ingredients very well, thoroughly, so you can get that perfect salad dressing. This salad dressing is very delicious and it tastes very amazing. With the combination of this salad that we are preparing, you are going to enjoy every bit of this your salad recipe. So add your salad dressing into your salad. Summer is around the corner and there are lots of recipes that will be coming in this channel. If you really want to see more of my recipe, feel free to follow my channel. There are lots of recipes in my channel, so many healthy recipe. We have a lot of recipe like drinks, like snacks, Nigeria recipe. There are lots of recipe that you can see. Please feel free to go through my channel to see more. Combine your salad cream with your salad to get that perfect combination. After combining, please feel free to serve and enjoy this salad recipe. If you really enjoyed this salad recipe, please give us a comment in the comment section, and please do not forget to give us a like. To see more of my recipe, encourage us by subscribing, follow our page to see more, and please do not forget to follow all my social media. Hope to see you soon. After trying this recipe, let me know what you think about it. I want to hear your feedback about this cucumber, tomatoes, onions salad. Thanks so much for watching this my salad recipe. Please do not forget to share this recipe and leave that a comment in the comment section. To see more of my recipe, please do not forget to follow. Hope to see you again.